Hi everyone, my name is Jacqueline Spangler and I'm one of the digital learning coaches in Tustin Unified. And today I wanted to show you how to make your classes inactive so that your students are no longer in your portal and cannot access your class over the summer or next school year. And I also want to teach you how to make a copy of your class so that you can reuse the same class next year. So let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is how to make your class inactive. In order to do that, you're going to want to select Manage Class at the very top of your page, and at the very bottom, you're going to select Make Inactive. When you select that, it's going to ask you if you would like to make your class inactive. You're going to select OK, and your class is now being made inactive. In order to find this class, you will no longer go under the Active tab, you will now look under the Inactive tab. This is now an archived class. The next thing I want to show you how to do is how to make a copy of your class without the data. So this would get rid of all of your student work and your rosters, but it would keep all of the content that you have built on your page. So in order to do this, you're also going to select Manage Class at the top right of your page and scroll down until you see Save Class As. You're going to want to select Save Class As, and that's going to load and it's going to ask you another question. It's going to ask you here, what do you want to keep on your page? I usually keep all of this the same. Just make sure up here that it is selected as New Class, and you're going to select Next. One more thing is going to pop up asking you if you'd like to keep the title the same, and I would just change the title to the new school year, which is going to be 15-16. So when that comes up, I'm just going to add 15-16 to the end of the title. So right here, I'm just going to type 15-16. Keep everything else the same, and select Finish. This will now open up my new class, and whenever I'm ready to start this new class, I will make it active. But until I make it active, this will continue to be an inactive class that my students cannot find until I roster them and make it active. All of my content is still here. All of my content will get copied over slowly. Once the page is finished loading, you'll see that you do have a blank page and it looks like nothing was copied over. But at the very top here, you can see that it says the content import is in progress. So it's currently copying all the content over from my old class. If I select refresh this page right here at the top, what it will do is it will refresh the page and load the new updated page, which should have some of your content copied over. And it looks like all of my content is now copied over. So this is my new page. Again, it needs to be made active when you're ready for it to be made active. And when the school year starts, all you have to do is roster your students. I hope this helps. Have a great day, everyone.